Asia, a continent of timeless beauty and rich culture, is home to a vibrant tapestry of countries and ethnic groups, each telling its own unique story and offering a glimpse into traditions that have shaped our world. When it comes to furniture, Asian designs reflect a deep respect for nature, blending form with function in the most beautiful ways. Crafted from natural materials, Asian furniture is a celebration of the environment and the cultures it comes from. In China, furniture goes beyond design. It's a reflection of balance and harmony. Intricate rosewood chairs, lacquered cabinets, and folding screens aren't just decorative. They're crafted with feng shui principles to create a harmonious flow in your home. In Japan, simplicity is not just a design choice, it's a way of life. Zen-inspired furniture like low wooden tables, tatami mats and zabuton cushions transforms your home into a peaceful retreat where every piece invites calm and clarity. India's craftsmanship is a bridge between luxury and functionality. Each handcrafted wooden bed and intricately designed cabinet tells a story, transforming everyday furniture into stunning works of art that capture the spirit of the region. Today, Asian furniture honors age-old craftsmanship while embracing modern innovation, combining beauty with sustainable, eco-conscious designs to meet the needs of contemporary living. As more Americans embrace wellness and peaceful living, Asian furniture offers not only timeless charm, but also a deeper connection to nature and tranquility. Whether you're drawn to the simplicity of modern minimalism or the cozy warmth of a bohemian vibe, these pieces effortlessly enhance the beauty, calm, and functionality of your space, creating an environment where you can truly relax and recharge. In today's renovation trends, Americans are increasingly focused on sustainable living. Integrating eco-friendly materials like bamboo, reclaimed wood, and rattan into design is a growing trend, allowing homeowners to create beautiful, functional spaces while being kind to the environment. For bohemian-style homes, Asian furniture feels like a dream come true. Its rich cultural history and fine craftsmanship blend seamlessly with bold, eclectic decor, transforming spaces into inviting, personality-filled retreats. On the flip side, modern minimalist interiors embrace the simplicity and calm that Asian furniture offers. Think low-profile tables and minimalist shelving that create serene, uncluttered living spaces. Asian furniture does more than just add style. It brings elegance, culture, and warmth into every room. It beautifully merges traditional design with contemporary needs, making it a timeless addition to any space. As multifunctionality becomes a priority in American homes, furniture that serves more than one purpose, like foldable tables and storage-integrated pieces, continues to rise in popularity, helping create flexible, beautiful spaces that adapt to modern life. These thoughtful designs help make every inch count, turning compact spaces into places of tranquility and ease. This trend of maximizing small living spaces while maintaining comfort and style is one that is deeply influencing the direction of home renovations today. Whether you prefer minimalist modern or cozy bohemian vibes, incorporating smaller Asian-inspired furniture pieces can elevate your space. These items, with their perfect blend of beauty, function, and cultural richness, seamlessly fit into any style and create a home that feels both comfortable and beautifully unique.